You meet someone great. They say, I have a conviction from years ago, and your mind instantly flips to the kids, custody, and who's showing up for Eagle Sunday. I'm Danny. Welcome back to Danny's Den. Let's chat. Stick with me for 10 minutes, and I'll give you clear reality checks, one-line scripts you can actually say out loud, a sample parenting plan clause, and simple steps to protect routines like game days. First, reality check. Family courts care about safety and the child's best interests. Plain and simple. So, does a conviction automatically wreck parenting time? Not usually. Courts look at nature, timing, and current risk, not just a headline or one label. I once had a client whose 15-year-old conviction never came up in court because their life afterward showed steady work, treatment, and safe parenting. That pattern mattered far more than the paper on file. Arrests without convictions, often less weighty than convictions, but they're not invisible. And expunged, that word gets tossed around like a magic erase. Expungement can limit public access, but it doesn't always remove records from every government system, and some serious offenses still require disclosure in court. So, helpful, but not a reset button. Juvenile records. Many places treat them differently and favor rehabilitation, but context still matters, especially if the facts suggest ongoing risk. Okay, how do you handle this in real life without turning dates into depositions? Short answer, honesty, safety first thinking, and portable language you can actually use. I should be honest. I've got a past conviction. I want to explain. 10 words. Say it. Mean it. When kids are already in the picture, use, because your kids matter to me. I want to share my history so we can plan together. Keep it child-focused, not defensive. And if you feel evasiveness or danger, a firm line works. I need transparency. For my kid's safety, I can't move forward without clear answers. Short, boundaried. Red flags to watch for: repeated secrecy, inconsistent stories, or controlling moves around your routines, like suddenly changing who drops off the kids for game day. If you're co-parenting with someone who has a record, practical safety steps matter. Consider supervised time, clear handoff locations, and written rules for exchanges. Document behavior the factual way. Save texts as screenshots, keep short dated notes, and use one-line incident summaries like 6:12, missed exchange, no call. That kind of clarity matters in court. If someone is actively endangering a child, get help immediately. Emergency orders exist for a reason. Timing is critical, so consult a local family attorney fast. Now, small routines are huge. Game days, Eagle Sunday, Yankees night are anchors for kids. Courts like to see stability, so preserving those rituals safely is both parenting and evidence. Concrete logistics that work. Arrange exchanges 30 minutes before kickoff at a neutral public spot. Think a community center lobby or a friend's house you both trust. Have a backup host so the kids always get their ritual, even if tension spikes. Make the ritual about the kids. Assign seats, a little playlist, or a quick pre-game snack routine that stays the same no matter who's in the room. Those details hold a lot of weight for emotional stability. Curious. Speaking of playlists, music lowers the temperature. My pick this week is a mellow hip-hop R&B classic that helps people breathe through a tough talk. Play it while you set ground rules, or use it to reset after a stressful exchange. Quick checklist you can screenshot. 1. Safety first. If you see danger, call authorities and seek emergency relief. 2. Document everything with dates and neutral language. 3. Use the one-line disclosure I gave you if you need to speak up. 4. Propose the sample exchange clause to your lawyer. 5. Create backup game day plans so kids keep their routine. I know it's a lot. Dating and parenting with a complicated history isn't simple, but a short script, a written clause, and a plan for game days go further than worry ever will. A final legal note. This episode gives general guidance, not personal legal advice. Family law varies by state, and where safety is at stake, Your local counsel is essential. If you want a starting point, I put a copyable disclosure line, the sample clause, and resource links in the show notes. If this helped, subscribe to Danny's Den for a weekly mix of law, love, sports, and pop culture. You can email me at danielle@thelegalassistancecenter.net to request a free 30-minute consultation, or drop a question in the episode comments. I'll read them. Thanks for being here. Protect your routines, protect your kids, speak honestly, and when you need help, reach out. Let's chat.